Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and part 2 of walking with my blind cats. Although it wasn't just the blind cats, Boffers and Mum Cat were there as well. Boffers lives on the mountain, he's never far away.
Scoats!
And Mum Cat, she doesn't let me go anywhere anymore.
Harry! Come on, Buffers. Come on, Mum Cat.
Harry was still up at the back. He likes to sniff everything.
Scoots! You're supposed to wait for me.
This path is used by the goats, so there's always different smells up there. Scoots wasn't interested in smells. He wanted to be off. He was enjoying this, every second of it.
Oh, we got to wait for Harry.
This was the unusual thing.
Come on, Buffers.
Normally when I take a blind cat out for a walk with me and it's a new path, they stay by my side because
Harry.
It's new smells, a new experience. They're nervous. Scoots had none of that nervousness. He was just brimming with confidence. He was excited. He wanted to
Harry.
explore.
I love you. Oh, where's he gone now?
Now, Scoots was on that rock, but as I turned to film Harry, he got off and went up into the bush. And he came out a little bit further up the channel. I call this Demore's channel because Demore's a geologist. This channel hasn't always been there. We had a violent storm last year and so much rain came down that torrents of water came down off the mountain and carved out channels down the mountain. Now it leads round to what was like a waterfall, a drop-off.
Scoots.
But it's since been flattened out.
Scoots, no! Scoots! Scoots!
Whether he heard the urgency in my voice, he didn't go down there. And he found another path going off.
Come on, Scoots! Scoots!
So that's the drop off. It's easy for the cats, the other cats. It's probably easy for Scoots and Harry. But an adventure for another day. So Scoots had gone under this tree. Harry was on the other side of it.
Harry!
But then Harry came out and made his way over to me.
Where's he gone now?
I was trying to keep an eye on Scoots. Harry wanted he wanted a Harry carry,
Speed he moves, he could be at the top.
but
of
I've
the
only
mountain,
got one good arm at the moment. I've got impingement in my left shoulder, and I can still use my left arm, but it's awkward.
Come on, Buffers. Buffers. Hello.
Scoots had actually gone back the way we'd come, but he wasn't on the path, and I didn't see him. So I picked up Harry, got tangled up in the trees, then went off to look for him.
Come on. Come on, Harry, it's my bad shoulder. Come on, let's go and find him. Let's go and find him. Come on. Oh. Let's go and find him.
Harry loves a carry.
Oh, where's he gone? Scoots! Hold on, Harry.
I did find him.
Scoots!
He'd had his little bit of adventure.
Come on. Where have you been? I've been looking all over the mountain for you.
We'd all had enough by then. It was time to go home. Hope you've all enjoyed the video, everyone. There is more to come. So we will all see you all again a bit later. Be after breakfast.
Come on.
home time.